That's a baby girl who just got gifted a wonderful, interesting high chair that can convert into just a short high chair, and then it also can be an activity center. So it's totally awesome. I've never seen this. Of course, you know, my boys are quite a bit of years older than this probably came out. So anyway, we're gonna see, because this girl can get out of anything. It's got awesome straps if you've got one like ours. So let's see what happens. She's eating her lunch. Are you eating your lunch? Lunch. Papa. Alright, so let's just see what this little munchkin's gonna get into. Are you causing trouble?
So look, the reason I wanted to talk to you was about TV last night. When was the last time you
Really? So I guess we need another thing to, I need to make another one so she can't throw that across the street.
Larry walks in.
Are you causing trouble?
Sits down with this big smile on his face and says,
He's good, Brutus.
not
That's
getting
it?
better. And he wasn't the only one. You remember Alan Evercroft, Dan Murray? Yeah, sure, good guys. They're all excited about Larry's new deal. They went to see Brinkerhoff too. That's the last I saw of them. I guess it must have worked. That or they don't like me anymore.
I'll make it now.
So how come you didn't see Brinkerhoff? Quick fixes aren't my style.
Don't. What the heck? Don't. Talk about next to no information. Look at the baby. See that I'm high in all the senses. Are you high? She was throwing it over there. Yeah. She decided to get smart and throw it over here. So I had to get up.
Are you good, naughty girl? Oh, and she's sharing her seafood. Okie dokie. He's gross, girl.
Sorry I fell asleep, guys. I don't feel good.
It's fine.
Are you still recording, Mom? Are you still recording? I was asking because they was like metal gearing under the.
Adorable ladies. I am metal gear.
Let me tell you something. I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty good. You told me girls I see each other, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect. Everything you do.
Always.
Are you finished? Bye bye.
I need your love.